This recipe is perfect for chocolate lovers, silky Nutella mousse and caramelized hazelnuts. Let's start, shall we? We're starting with the crunchy layer. In a medium bowl, combine the melted chocolate, melted butter, cocoa Krispies and the orange zest. Mix everything together until the Krispies are fully coated. Now I'm going to line up mini cake rings, about 7 cm in diameter. Press about 2 spoonfuls of the crunch mixture into each ring to form the base of the cakes. When pressing the crunch mixture into the cake rings, don't press it too hard. Pressing too hard on it, it will make a big chunk of hard crisp. First hydrate 2 grams of gelatin according to the package instructions. Then mix it into the hot coffee until it's fully dissolved. Next I will add 180 grams of Nutella to the coffee and stir until the mixture is smooth. Now we're going to semi-whip 200 grams of cream. We want soft peaks here, not stiff peaks, because we'll be folding it into the Nutella mix. When folding the whipped cream in the Nutella mix, make sure you do it gently. You want to keep the mousse light and airy. If you overmix it, that light, delicate texture is gone. Bye! Fold the whipped cream into the Nutella mix in 2 batches. This helps keep it smooth and light. Put the mousse into the cake rings, filling them about 3/4 full. Now pop the cakes into the fridge to let them set for a bit while we move on to the glaze. The glaze is super easy and adds that perfect shiny finish to our cakes. Heat the cream until it's just boiling, then pour it over the milk chocolate and Nutella and stir until everything is smooth and glossy. Let the glaze cool slightly before pouring it over the cakes. While the cake set, we'll prepare the caramelized hazelnuts. Start by caramelizing 150 grams of custard sugar until it's a golden brown. Using a toothpick, dip each hazelnut into the caramel and let them set on a parchment paper. If you want to add some extra flair, you can hang them so the caramel stretch down, giving them a dramatic look. These caramel hazelnuts aren't just for the decoration, they add a beautiful crunch and flavor that complements the cake. Now for the final touches, decorate each cake with the caramelized hazelnuts and a sprinkle of grated chocolate. And there you have it, a decadent Nutella cake with a layer of crunch, mousse and caramelized hazelnuts. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you try it out, let me know in the comments.